Griffith Wi-Fi has changed. Follow these steps to ensure you stay connected. If you have previously connected to the Griffith University Wi-Fi network, you will need to forget the network. To do this, go to your Wi-Fi settings, locate Griffith University, tap Select and Forget Network. Under your device Wi-Fi settings, select Set up Griffith Wi-Fi. Open a web browser and go to wifi.griffith.edu.au. Click Download to download the Secure W2 app from the Google Play Store. Click Install to install the app on your device. Click Open on the app. The Wi-Fi configuration will automatically enrol. Click I understand if prompted. Click Next. Enter your Griffith single sign-on credentials. Enter your S number at griffith.edu.au and your Griffith password. Click Continue. Click Done once successfully connected. To complete the process, go to your device Wi-Fi settings and select Griffith University as your preferred network. You are now connected.